Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to reset your password in Bybit on the app version. First, when logged in. If you are logged into your account and would like to reset your password, please tap on your profile icon, then tap security, and then change password. Enter your old password as well as the new one and click confirm. As a security measure, proceed to enter your Google verification code and your password reset will be effective. Please note that if you are still connected to your Bybit account but have forgotten your password, you will need to log out of your account and follow the steps below. When logged out, open your Bybit app and tap on Login Now. Once on the login page, tap Forgot Password. Enter the email address or phone number you used to register your Bybit account and tap on Reset Password to proceed. To securely change your account password, enter the email or SMS verification code sent to your email address or mobile number after tapping on Get Code. Then enter your Google verification code and click on Confirm. Notes: if you have permanently lost your email address, phone number or Google authentication, please tap on Having problems with verification. To reset your security option, please ensure to enter your email SMS verification code first before typing in your Google verification code. Then you can now enter a new password that will be used to connect to your account. To ensure the safety of your account, please make sure to use a complex password and do not communicate to others. Click on Reset Password once done. And that's it, you have successfully reset your password and now you can use it to log into your account again. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.